Ever wonder why your long-form videos are getting fewer views? Remember when YouTube was all about deep dives and storytelling? Well, in 2025, it's a different ballgame. Shorts are taking over, and here's why your long-form videos might be getting left behind. Short-form videos now dominate the internet, accounting for a staggering 90% of all traffic. With attention spans dwindling, viewers are gravitating towards quick, engaging content. While long-form content offers depth, it's facing challenges. The rise of shorts has led to a noticeable decline in long-form viewership and engagement. Creators are now leveraging shorts to funnel viewers to their long-form content, using features like pinned comments and call to actions. A balanced content strategy, combining the immediacy of shorts with the depth of long-form videos, is key to thriving on YouTube in 2025. Shorts are reshaping the YouTube landscape. Embracing this change and adapting your content strategy is essential for success in 2025.